some people will watch you build your business, network yourself, hustle, get to the next level. And they'll be afraid to just ask you, how do you do it? And you might say, I got a consultation fee. It's not expensive. It's $150. And they be like, I don't know. I'm thinking to myself, like, I done spend way more than that. All you doing is showing me that you're willing to invest in yourself. But I'm not finna give my heartaches, my pain, my struggles, my education, what I have learned to you for free. But I'll show you videos of what I'm doing. I'll show you my progress. And then let you know that my actions is speaking louder than my words. Make your actions be louder than your words and invest in yourself.